everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making this easy, delicious minced beef top dauphinois potatoes. Makes an easy and delicious midweek meal. I'll make a start by warming up 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'll fry off 1 onion until soft and has a little colour. Then I'll add 500 grams of lean minced beef. I'm using a 5% fat. I'll turn the heat up at this point and get the mince nice and brown. Then I'll go in with 4 fluid ounces of red wine, or you could use a red wine vinegar. And I'll stir in a teaspoon of dried thyme. And a tablespoon of plain flour. A heaped tablespoon of tomato paste. Then I'll stir in 12 fluid ounces of beef stock and turn the heat down to a simmer and cook with the lid on for a half an hour until the beef is soft and tender. While the mince is cooking, I'll peel and slice my potatoes for the topping. I'll get my potatoes washed and I'll cook them in salted water. I want the potatoes cooked all the way through. Mine took 12 minutes, but it does depend on how thick your potatoes have been sliced. So while my potatoes are cooking, I'll grate 2 cloves of garlic, put that in a jug and add some double cream. So now my potatoes are cooked all the way through. As you can see, they've kept their shape and I'll leave them to drain for a few minutes. The mince is cooked now, so I'll take it off the heat. I've got the oven preheated to 180 Celsius and now I'll load the mince into my oven-proof dish. I'll press down a little with the back of my spoon. I'll put a layer of potatoes on top and a little black pepper. And pour over some of the garlic cream. Then layer the rest of the potatoes on top. Then I'll pour the rest of the garlic cream on top. Lastly, I'll sprinkle with some mature cheese. And now I'll pop this in the oven and bake for around 25 minutes until the top is golden brown. And there it is, minced beef topped with dauphinois potatoes. So simple and delicious, served with a crispy salad or vegetables. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please like, share, drop me a comment and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.